Hey there again. It's time for another book that we have. We usually do a second book for the week on Wednesday. And so we're going to introduce you to this book. It's called Not a Box, and the author's name is Antoinette Portis. And this is an award-winning book, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Now, do you think that this book, Not a Box, is fiction, or is it an informational text? So remember, a fiction book is made up stories about different characters and settings and places and events. And an informational text is one where there's learning, and it's a book that teaches about a topic. So which one do you think it is? I hope you said fiction, because it is. This book is fiction. It's just a made up story, and I think it's fun, and I really think you'll enjoy the book. So let's just settle in and enjoy Not a Box by Antoinette Portis. To children everywhere sitting in cardboard boxes.
Why are you sitting in a box? It's not a box. What are you doing on top of that box? It's not a box. Rabbit, peek.
I'm going to finish reading. It says, why are you squirting a box? So interesting. I said it's not a box. Now you're wearing a box? This is not a box. Interesting. Are you still standing around in that box? It's not a box. Well, what is it then? It's my not a box. Huh. Isn't that a great story, boys and girls? What does the rabbit say the box is? What does he call it? Do you remember? He says, it's my not a box. Why do you think the rabbit says that? I think it's because he's using his imagination to create something to create something adventurous to do with the box. He wants it to be whatever it is. So it's not just a box, it is not a box. This is a really great story, and I love it. So now I want to just take one look at our chart here. This is our display and engage chart, and we're in week 1, noticing new things, and we're going to begin thinking differently and using our senses, which is what we've done already this morning. And in this book, Not a Box, let's think about who the characters are. Who's the characters in this book? Well, for sure it's a rabbit. And then who's doing the speaking? We don't ever see that character, do we? So it might be the narrator, or maybe it's someone just pretending to be someone else like you or I. So those are the characters in the book. What's the setting? Where's the setting? Where does it take place and when? It looks like it's in a room somewhere with a box anywhere. And in this book, the rabbit thinks so differently and uses his imagination. His imagination lets him see the box in a whole new way. So I picked up a box, and I was just wondering if this looked familiar to you. Do you see this box? This is a pizza box, isn't it? We used it for our Valentine's. But you know what it really is? It's a fan. I'm just gonna use it for a fan. You know what else I could use this for? This is maybe a display case. I could hang it on a wall and put some pictures in it. Maybe I could use it for a shelf of some sort. I could set it up here and just display some things on top. I could create all kinds of fun things with this box. So today I want you to see if you can find a box around your house and come up with a creative way to use the box and how you can play in it. Everybody loves a box. All right, it's time for the next lesson.